Hey guys, welcome to Sumi's Kitchen Time and don't forget to subscribe. Today I will show you how to make guacamole. Ingredients are lemon, red onion, tomato, and avocado. You will start by cutting your onion into small pieces. Then put the onion into a bowl and add hot water so as to reduce the smell and the taste of the onion. Take the avocado and cut into 2 pieces or any number of parts that you wish. Using a spoon, scoop the avocado and put into a bowl. Then smash the avocado well. When it's ready, put aside. Take tomato and cut it into small pieces. Make sure to remove the inner parts so that to avoid guacamole to be watery. When you are done, put the tomato to the avocado and mix them well. Then add onion to it. Cut the lemon and add the lemon juice. You can also use your hands to prevent the seed from getting in. Then lastly, add 1 tablespoon of salt and mix the mixture well. The guacamole is ready. You can serve with rice, chips, or crips. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for new videos.